He has a face. He has a face.
Matthew's leaving.
What's up, y'all? I'm getting mic'd up now. You're gonna hear a whole lot of gruntings and moaning. You ready? Alright. Oh!
He's joking, he's joking. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh! Good luck, good luck. Here you go.
Oh, what a good drop. He's joking, Miso. He's joking. It's okay.
They're got aimbot on.
Mazia doesn't cry.
Oh, let's go.
That's the trick. You gotta moan, yo. You gotta moan, yo. That's the
He's right
trick.
there.
Here we go. We are 0-1.
0-1. 1.
It's okay. He's stressed now. Oh, the pop up. You can let that bounce, Matt.
Alright. It's working so far.
1-1.
He's wagging his tail. He's happy.
Everywhere.
Oh,
Dude.
what is it?
We're up against pros here.
We are. These guys are really good.
It's like this guy won't be. This guy.
1-1. 1-1.
Referee.
2.
This one's for the dog. This one's for the dog. Yep.
He's still staring at him.
Yo.
Fucker.
Okay, Matt, let's see the serve. Consistent serve right here. Bang. Here we go.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh, that's
What a
that's
shot.
in.
What a shot. Here we go. Here we go. He's ready for 3-0. He's ready for 3-0.
What'd he say? Should've got it, Arvin. Fuck!
Biba.
I'm not ring.
Ooh, that backhand needs some work.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Elon.
Got me running. Huh?
2-1-2.
Motherfucker.
Apparently his mom called him Elon.
Elon?
Yeah.
Everyone else just calls him Elon. Elon.
So he is Elon. Technically.
1-4. 1-3. 1-3-1. Fuck!
Almost.
I couldn't get there fast enough.
Where are we at?
In the Bible.
Oh, good drop, Arvin. Oh, Arvin, you look like you were going for it. Okay, another consistent serve right here. Oh, okay, he's getting better.
Benchwood motherfucker.
You guys end up continuing
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Game of Thrones or
Oh, good shot.
This has been supposed for the last 3
Really?
Oh, geez.
What season are you guys now?
Okay, this one.
Here we go.
Okay.
I think he's giving us hope.
Oh, sorry, Alan. Sorry.
The scuba? Scuba.
I think when you watched it, you would stop in the middle of the episode so that
Good shot.
Damn it.
you get tempted to watch the next
Is that why we're saving
We're at
up
like
the
what?
Season 4?
5.1 now? Or you lose 1.1? Your turn, Arvin. I'm not. Run, Arvin, run.
Yeah, the amount of net there is, it's not covering anything. Bruh.
Allen's.
Well, we go full earlier. Now it's just us.
Everyone's going home.
I don't want to.
1-7? 1-7-1? Oh, shit.
Flinched so hard.
You serve, brother. 1-7. 1-7-2. 1-7-2.
Oh, hey, hit it.
Yo, wait a second. Wait a second.
The headache.
Sorry.
I knew this guy was gonna fold.
Now his hands are cold.
Hear me, Alan? I knew you were gonna come out.
Whose serve is it?
See, now your drops are getting better.
I'm okay.
Sorry.
Oh.
I thought I could reach it. I thought I could reach it. I couldn't reach it. That's it.
Oh,
That would have been a crazy shot.
close.
We need at least 6 points.
Was it still 1-7?
Made you do that?
1-8. 1.
Well, which one are we doing tomorrow?
And then back to sender.
Bro.
There you go. Oh shit.
Berries. Oh, I know berries.
2-8.
Yeah, there's only some.
Oh yeah, sunset.
Berries? Sounds like a juice place.
Thank you, sir.
Whether you do treadmill, like exercise on
3-8. 1.
kind of like
Send it back to me.
There you go. Your serve, ours.
Oh no, this one's abs and butt.
Oh, MG.
Last man,
I'm cooked.
last man standing.
I'm cooked.
Yeah.
How would they get really light?
Ah. What am I doing?
Boring?
What am I doing?
Yeah, like yoga mat.
Every class, yeah.
Ab and butt, dude, I might die. I might actually like not do the exercises.
Damn, Marvin. Okay. Matt's serve. Matt serve.
Good shot.
Good shot.
and then there's all like people like laying out their towels and it's like
Oh,
edge.
yeah, on the mat.
I lay on my kitchen towel and I'm like, I need to go out and rent like one. So embarrassing.
Oh, oh.
Hop.
Me and Jay have used their
Hop, hop.
microfiber like beach towels.
Oh,
Like,
yeah,
the one
3-9.
they use for towels.
3-9-1.
That works out.
At least it's longer.
Yeah, it covers the mat.
Try to catch it.
Yeah, he's about to hit it with his hand.
Some people don't use the towel, like, 'cause they don't have it.
Your serve, Arvs?
But then
Imagine if you did hit it with
apparently
your hand though.
the extra yoga mats stink.
The one that they provide.
Yeah.
I really don't like
But how come
Oh,
you
he washing machine you.
He did. He got me good.
towel? Were you slipping?
I was slipping, yeah.
The microfiber. Well, ours is like super microfiber.
And that's up there.
That's the second time. What the fuck?
Lululemon mat? Towel?
All right.
10, 3, 2. Oh yeah.
Okay, come back. Right here. We're gonna score 8 straight points.
Touch this, you can beat Anna Waters.
Okay. What was it? 3-8? 3.
Doesn't wash it.
3. 3-10-1. Fuck.
Oh yeah. Keep going. Might as well. Oh yeah, hit that. Oh,
Okay. So far, so good.
410.
4-10. 4-10-1.
Yeah, so like your first
Oh,
Okay.
5-10.
What a
5-10.
drop. What a drop.
Oh, it's okay. You know why?
Why?
Lose anyways.
Anyways, you got that right.
Okay. You again. That's me. Hey, we're here too.
Fuck. That was good.
Okay, where are we at? 10-5.
it's always been tricky.
Where?
Two stops.
But that's like enough time.
Get that. One more.
Yeah.
Okay. One more stop.
10-5 too. I see it now.
You see the vision?
Podium.
You see the vision?
Yeah, the podium. The podium, man!
I didn't see it. I didn't see it. GG's, y'all.
One more.
Okay, I'm setting out. How many?
9,
30.
15, 30.
One more.
All in again?
Sure. You go, Alan.
Oh, shit.
Yo,
me
this guy's
tired.
gassed.
I'm actually gassed, dude. Fuck me, dude. All
go,
right,
let's go.
lock it in.
Lock it in, man. Lock it in.
I need to catch my breath first.
Out. Oh!
Bitch ass.
It's okay. Get it. Come on. We'll play with the other ball.
Huh?
Play with the other ball.
Okay.
We'll grab it later. Yo, Arvin. Oh, never mind.
My serve?
Yeah. 0-1.
0-1-1.
It's 0-1-1.
0-1-1. Zero one one.
It's kind of fucked.
Yeah, there's a little thing on there.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
0-1. Oh my god. Actual
the-
washing machine.
The spins, man.
Yelltown. Davie Street. 101.
Good shot. What's that, flick?
Yeah.
Flick of the wrist.
Flick of the wrist. Oh shit. Ah. Dude, it's like a firecracker when you're hitting that thing. Bam! Ducky!
Taki. No, it's fine. Just leave it.
I think I did. I don't get
0-1.
Fuck me, dude. Not enough spin on that one.
0-1-2. Oh, good shot, Matt.
I fucking slipped. I slipped, dude. Ah.
0-1. 1-0.
Your serve? Who serve?
Alain. Nice try.
Oh, what the fuck?
Out.
Oh, shit.
How's that?
Was it-
I think.
I thought it was out.
0-3.
Oh, sorry, Matt.
That's yours. Oh, it's getting cold. You. Ah, shit. 1-3. 2. No.
3-1.
Out. Austin.
That was in. Oh, what the fuck?
Swiss cheese battle, yo.
Fucking bitch. You good?
Lob City. Good shot.
Ah, jeez.
On 5.
Yep. Oh, the fuck. Over.
Break your ankles.
I'm gonna tie my
2-5.
shoes. Fuck. Bitch ass. Ah, why do I keep hitting it so high up? What is it, Jim?
2-5.
2-5-2. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. What am I doing wrong?
Hey, just take your time.
Don't rush it.
Yeah. Nice. Here we go.
2-6-1. 2-7-1.
Oh, sorry, Matt. Me.
Yo, yeah.
2-7. That's right.
Fucking gas, bro. All right.
Win. That was good.
There you go.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh, shit.
He's falling asleep.
There it is.
Here we go. 2-8. Come back.
I don't know, can we see it, Jam? Let's see it.
Let's go.
Oh, fuck.
Out. 3-8.
3-8.
All right.
4-8.
Oh, there it is. Here we go.
5-8.
You're stumbling, yo.
Can't get it together, yo.
There you go.
Sorry, Alan. Sorry.
Oh, good shot.
I didn't mean to do that.
Like the line shot. 6-8. Whew. 7-8. Yo, catch the breath.
I can't.
Time out. There you go. Here we go.
8-8-1. Play for real.
No.
That's okay. Second serve.
8-8.
Yes, sir. 8-8-2.
He was ready. Yeah, actually there.
Oh, sorry.
9-8. No.
It's okay. Two stops.
That's it.
Get over.
One more stop.
Nine,
One two.
Out.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it went through.
It went through.
Just kidding,
It went
just kidding.
through. Fucking
Hey,
bitch.
it's 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 9-11.
What?
9-11. I look bar.
9-11-2.
You gotta say 2.
Oh. How the fuck?
10-11.
10-11-2.
Oh, I know.
Hey.
Hey!
11 all. As you. Aye! Aye! You sir.
Holy shit, tired.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked.
Our tips touched.
It's that's what you call a team.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
Okay, here we go. Yes,
There you
sir.
go. That worked. That worked.
Oh, good shots.
It's hard. Oh fuck me, dude! I didn't flick it hard enough.
Okay. 1-5. Oh!
Say one more. One more. One more. Go one more.
One more.
11-14.
Yeah. Good serve. Go.
Oh, sorry, Alan. Sorry, Alan. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
2-4. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You go, you go, you go.
You. 13-14. Oh, fuck. I dropped it too soon.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
One more, one more. Ah. Oh, that was a good run.
Good shot, good shot.
That was fun, y'all. Sorry about the knee, Alan.
Oh, good.
I didn't mean to hit you on the knee.
The money.